Can supplements replace a healthy diet?
Many people wonder if popping pills can replace eating well. While supplements may seem convenient, they aren't designed to substitute for real food. A balanced diet provides a complex mix of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that work together in ways supplements can't fully replicate.
Nutrients are best from whole foods.
The whole foods contain more than just isolated nutrients. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins include beneficial compounds like fiber, phytochemicals, and enzymes. These combinations help your body absorb and use nutrients efficiently, a process that simple supplements can't match.
The risks of relying on supplements.
Too many supplements can be harmful, not helpful. Taking large doses of certain vitamins or minerals may cause side effects or interfere with other nutrients. For instance, excess vitamin A can be toxic, and too much calcium might affect heart health. Supplements should always be used with caution.
When supplements are actually needed.
There are times when supplements play an important role. Specific groups, like pregnant women needing folic acid, older adults needing vitamin D, or those with diagnosed deficiencies, can benefit from targeted supplements. In these cases, supplements act as support, not replacements, for a healthy diet.
The bottom line, focus on real food first.
Supplements can be useful, but they're not a shortcut to health. The best foundation is a varied, balanced diet rich in whole, minimally processed foods. Before turning to supplements, focus on healthy eating habits and consult a healthcare provider if you have special nutritional needs.